Woo! Okay, family. Lucky boy, go. I can just teleport to a kid and pick him up. Now I'm gonna be setting him. Yeah, we're gonna bulge into this person's home. Door's locked. Now I know why. Because I'm gonna be in it. No, stop! No, 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 stop! Stop! I'll tell you. You're adopted. Please invite me to your family. No. You're too ugly. I feel bad. But you know, it's a video game, okay? I can do whatever I want. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. Don't take advantage over the screen not being there, guys, because remember that people can still find your IP address and find your address, and they'll they'll find you. That's all. Okay. Um Lucky family. Yeah, we have a really lucky family. We're really wealthy. Can you come here? Uh, 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 uh. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna set this kid in the toilet. Okay. Pick him up and we're gonna throw him outside. We're gonna go outside with him. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna be stepping on you. Okay. One. Yes. Shut up. Shut up, dude. Oh my god, just shut up. Let me take care of you. I'm your dad. Let me take care of you. No, no. Okay, time to take care of this man. No! Bro, stop. I hate your house. Your house is ugly. Okay, family. A lucky boy. Haha, don't touch my tail. Get noob. Get noob, sweetheart. I hate, your dog looks ugly. Jamie, more like, what? Okay, you know what? Never mind. Want to go for a spin? I don't want to go for a spin. Okay. Dude, your dog looks so fake. Okay, now everyone's in here. I'm gonna drop my kid in the toilet. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, the alley sleeps. Okay, I don't care where everyone sleeps. Okay. Dog. Pick up. I'm gonna get this dog and go somewhere with it. You know what? I'm gonna get this dog. Look what, I would never do this to a real dog, but, you know, gotta do it for the content. Okay, there is no unicorn in Adopt Me, but I don't know because I'm pretty stupid. You know what, dog? By the way, you're adopted dog, but since you're a dog, I love you. I love dogs. Once there were two black labs outside my patio, and I was like, "Oh, mom, can I keep it?" But she said no because, you know, I'm not that responsible. So she said no. Okay, Raven's house. Oh, do you know like that TV show? It's like Raven's House or whatever. It's always on like the TV at like the hotels. You know those hotel TVs? Yeah, I always play on those. I mean, usually. Oh, this is actually a big house. Okay. You know what, Jamie? Play with the fish. Play with the fish. No. Play with the fish. Can you like get it over? Yeah, come over here. Follow me, dog. Okay. I stole you from another puppy. Okay. No, come here, dog. Dog. Dog, I'm literally... You know what, dog? No, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Bro. Bro, please. Please, dog. Please. Please. Okay, follow me. Come, dog. Come here, dog. Okay, now let's go back to the kid. Let's go right back to the kid. Lucky boy, here we go. Okay. Horse trucks. What a weird name. New fit. Do you just wave at random people? Okay. Hi. Bye. It's weird not to be weird. Have you guys even realized that I've uploaded 3 videos today? That's a lot of videos for one day. Like, I never post that much. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Come here, dog. Okay. Come here, dog. I mean, come here, kid. I'll make you. No, come here, dog. No, come here, kid. Kid, come here. He is. Yeah. Okay. I want to put up the volume. Okay. Oh my God. Dun 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 dun. Let's go camping. Okay. No. No, come here, kid. Come here, kid. Come here, kid. You need some sleep. Yeah, it's not. It's like I even care about you, but yeah. No, come here. Oh, what is that? No, come here. Come here. Bro, come here. Otter. Come here. I hate this game. Bye. Yeah, nice music, right? I'm drowning in here. Wow, I'm drowning. In this happy music, I'm drowning. Oh my God, wow, I'm drowning. I'm dead.